This is actually 8mm brass plate we're going to be cutting, 5/16 brass plate. Brass is a mixture of copper and zinc. Zinc is poisonous, so when this is cutting, I'll have my extractor fans on, but I'm afraid I'll be outside. Really nasty stuff it is. The fumes are very, very bad for you. And that smoky, it looks nasty, horrible green flame comes off it. I've set this to be put in 10mm knife steel because the brass conducts heat pretty quickly. It is good all the way through. The plasma will put anything that's conductible, basically. This is the smallest one of the 2 brass sticks we've just cut, and they're decorative pieces to go onto a Fowler steam traction engine from a friend of mine. So all I want to do is clean the face up, clean that face up, and possibly polish it. That is a 3/4 inch hole or a 90mm hole to go in there, so we've got plenty to play with. Running reasonably true, so that should. Yeah, fine. Like I say, it's not critical, it's just a decorative piece, that's all it is. Faster speed actually made it worse. It won't make it worse, it'll make it better. It's just springing it because it's quite a big diameter piece. It's machined very nicely for brass, it's more like bronze the way it's coming off. Curly whirls instead of a horrible brass shard that we normally get. Right, we'll try running really slow now so we can get a finish on this. It's a nice slow feed rate, nice slow speed, that's doing alright. It'll just take a while. Now would be a good time to have a cigarette, but cigarettes aren't allowed anymore, which is a good thing really. I need to find a tool that can go around the edge of our on. I don't know, around it. Yeah, I need to find a tool so I can put a radius on that edge, and I think this might work. That's definitely better material than brass, it's just not machined like brass. The type of bronze. But when I cut it, the blue and green smoke did indicate definitely brass. Whatever it is, it's going to get polished up and goes on the cylinder cover of a Fowler traction engine, and it will be there for basically ever, I would imagine. Sometimes with parts like this, I do put my initials on the back and the date, Just so when somebody strips it and it's next rebuild, they'll wonder who the fucking hell is this double boost character. The tool I've got mounted in here is a radius tool. It's a radius milling cutter. It should put a nice round edge on here, hopefully. This will get polished and sort of, it'll end up looking worn. It's having the desired effect, it's taking a very broad cut, that's why it doesn't like it. This is the bigger one of the two. I'm just going to put a chuck across there, just in case it comes out. And I've only got it held on a bull head. If I put a drill chuck or a morse taper around there, it's going to stop it from getting it, so to speak. I think it's quite a wise precaution. Certainly won't do any harm at all. Just like that. And it means if it does decide to come out when I'm machining the outer rim, it won't get us. And obviously you're doing standing like the direct line of fire, you stand to one side. Or at least I do. A little bit piss wobbly. Here's what it is, I suppose. Try a different tool. I'm going to try one of these cheap Vanguard inserts. See what that does. I'll dispense with that now because I'm going to be cutting a lot slower. I'll cut from the inside out over this time. Right. Nice slow cut out, hopefully it'll clean up in one cut. It's running very true, actually, it's running very well there. That's definitely not straight brass. Not with smoke coming off like that, it's not. Putting a hell of a finish on there. I'm tempted to put your other one back on and get the same finish off the other one. Ah, you bastard, you. You spoke so soon, John. I seem to have found a happy medium. It's really slow, but it's putting a hell of a finish on it. While that's doing that, we'll drill the hole in the other one. Right, that's a 3/4 drill. It has a tendency to snatch when you're drilling brass, so I'm going to use the Z axis to feed it nice and gently. You can sharpen the drill a special way so it doesn't snatch into brass. I have got some where I haven't got a 19 or a 3/4. It's doing all right. strange material, this is very slippy. I've purposely got the belt slack, so if it does snatch it'll just slip the belt like that. Just about through. That really is a stunning finish, that. That's a cheap little Banggood right hand knife tool. Could use a little cutter to do this, but it's doing the job. I have put my name on the back of them. GM 2025. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It is important I keep getting more subscribers. You never know, one day I might hit 1 million. Anyway, thanks for watching.